Okay, this is Andrew. I'm back with the WireShark Sniffer Lab Part 2. We just ended up putting the IP addresses on these two boxes. I'm going to go ahead and put it on this box as well. So we're going to console in here. I'm going to console into this box. And if you may remember the procedures at this point, config T. And then we do what? Interface. What's the interface? FA0/0. Good. First thing, no shut, because you're in a router, right? You're on the router port, so you want to open that port. What's the next thing? IP address. Okay, what is the IP address? It's right up here on the screen. It's 192.168.1.2. What do you need now? Subnet address. Okay, bam, we are done. So and we'll take you all the way back to the start so I can ping from here. So if everything is right, I should be able to ping 192.168, and we'll try both of them. But first, let's try ourself. I always like to do myself first, right? Okay. Okay, so it looks like it's pinging. We'll try it again. Okay, so it's pinging itself 192.168.1.2 from this box. So let's try to ping the 3 box. Okay. Okay, so we lost that first one again for some reason. We'll go into why later. Okay, now we're going to try to ping this box, the .1 box. Okay, here we go. Again, we got success rate 80%. It sends 5 pings by default, 5 pings, and so 4 came back. It lost the first ping. Okay, so we'll try it again. There we go. Okay, so now we have full connectivity in our system. So let's go ahead and put WireShark on somewhere here. So to do that is pretty easy. WireShark downloaded with GNS3 when you loaded it. So you just click on a line here and you right click and it says start capture. Okay, packet capture. So now I can choose on this line, it's letting me choose if I want to do ESW3 port. Oh, sorry, let's pull this down. Okay, ESW3 port or ESW4 port. So let's put it over here. So we're going to do the ESW3 port. And we just click on OK. Now WireShark is coming up. Now this, you need to start remembering about when we were talking about the OSI model, because that always comes up over and over whenever you're doing anything involving networking, and WireShark is no exception. It uses the OSI layer 2, so we're going to take a look at that. Here it comes. Normally, you know, I'd probably just pause while it's coming up, but while we're doing all this the first time, I just want you to see everything. Okay, so here's WireShark in all its glory. And what you're looking at here is this block is the layer 3 that has your this is your packet that has IP addresses and such, and then this is your frame, your layer 2, and then this is your layer 1 where it's the hex representation of the 1s and 0s. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're seeing some action on there already. Here's like a loop reply and some spanning tree. You know, what is that? We'll have to talk. We're going to do a lot of talking about spanning tree in future videos. But for now, let's leave WireShark running. And remember, he lives right here. Okay, so I'm going to go over to this PC. I'm going to click my console. I should get the ESW1, and I'm going to ping. I don't have to retype it. All right, so I'm going to ping 192.168.1.3. Okay, now that means I'm going from this PC, I'm going to ping down here and back is what I'm trying to do. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's done. It's 100%. Apparently 5 went. So let's look at WireShark and see what WireShark tells us. Okay. Echo. This right here, an echo, this is the ICMP. This is ping, okay? And you see here, now we're looking at the layer 3 because we're looking at the IP address. You see here, it came from destination. Its source is 1.1, source 1.1, and destination is 1.3. It's an ICMP. It's an echo ping request, and then you're looking at, you know, it's time to live here, reply, and the amount of time. Now, if I specifically click on, watch this. This is the beauty about WireShark, okay? If I specifically click on here, notice this box changed. So this is the layer 2 frame for this packet. If you look here, this is the layer 2 frame now for this packet, and additionally, this is the layer 1 data. This is the ones and zeros bits on the line. So it's actually building it up. Okay, so let's go here. Let's look at this. So we're in the frame now, and you can open each one of these, right? So frame 76, 114 bytes on the wire, 114 bytes captured. Okay, let's go in and look at it. So you see there, that, okay, here is type, echo, ping request, code, checksum, identifier. All right, now let's go take a look at the switch real quick. Let me pause and we'll go over there. I'm gonna lose the whole video. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and we'll pick it up in a third part because I try to keep these videos under 10 minutes. All right, thank you.